Recently, I created this fast track profits course and I enabled direct messages so participants and members can ask me questions directly. I am responding all of these questions directly. One question that was asked repeatedly inside direct messages and via direct email to me was how I set up all of my product or this particular course. So I thought, why not record a video so all of our ProductDyno community can benefit from it. It's very simple. I did nothing extraordinary or there is no rocket science. I just want to show the backend of my account in this video. So let me show you. This is the manage area of my product, and all I did is inside content designer, I set it up everything inside content designer. So I, by the way, prefer to have this settings area on right side so I can see my content, and you can do it easily by clicking on this icon. So first thing, let me tell you about this drop down. You can see this videos. So all of my course content is under this drop down. To have this, there are actually two things. First is, let's click on settings, and inside general tab, let me show you the theme name. I am using this Teach Pro theme. So this is the first thing, you need to have this Teach Pro theme. And second thing is the setting about it. So if I click on this navigation links and scroll down, you can see show sections in drop down. And that's the only setting. If you enable it, all of your content, all of your sections will be in drop down. If you don't do this, all of the sections will be visible here one by one. This is good if you have, let's say, just 4 or 5 sections or modules or chapters, and their names are really short, maybe like chapter 1, chapter 2, or maybe like sales promise or something like that. So if you have very short name and you don't have a lot of sections, so I would advise don't enable this option. But if you have names like my course, I have some big names here, and there are multiple videos. So I have published 13 videos and there are more upcoming videos. So it suits better that I have all of them in drop down, and for my user as well, for my consumer as well, it is better so they can easily navigate to these chapters or sections. The next thing is this meet your trainer. So I did nothing actually, but let me show you what I did. So sidebar, and you can see I uploaded my photograph, but instead of writing my name, I actually used it as a heading, meet your trainer, and put an emoji. So it's like a bit of creativity, I would call. So I'm self-bragging, right? So, and then I put this intro there, and also put another emoji there. So this is how I did with this meet your trainer part. You can also do this. It's there is nothing that stops you. And by the way, this looks this is how it looks from a member's perspective. And you can see I have this let's chat, and what I did here is I have put some emojis here. So let me show you how I did it. If I go back and to direct messages, here I just put all of this text and with a few emojis. So nothing fancy there. Again, just picking up an icon and enabling this setting and using emojis. Like I used one emoji in the heading as well. So this is about the direct messages, and let's go back to our content designer. And what else? Oh, by the way, let me show, actually just tell you this logo. I actually generated it using OpenAI image gen. So it generated this image and I took it, and I think I used Canva or probably Photoshop to cut it and had this particular logo. So if you are not using image generation, you should use it. And what else? Okay, so let me just now I think show you some colors. First, let's talk about the typography. So there is again nothing fancy, like, you know, body paragraph, all of these paragraphs, whatever the text you have for your sections, you can change the color. First, let's see this menu. So this is the menu, like visit my website and all of this. So you can see I have the font color, this dark one, and if you hover over, you can see it turns into blue. So this is hover color. Similarly, this menu drop down. So if you have enabled the menu, you can set the front color or the front facing color or the font color and the hover color. So again, you can see it turns into blue. If you want, you could keep it into two different colors. That's why we have more settings, but I prefer minimal changes. So I am keeping these colors same. And then, you know, we have got some other colors like section card heading, this one. So this is card heading. I have again this same blue color, but what I did here, I actually flipped this color. So the colors that I had here, I flipped them. So I have a little light blue color, but if you hover over, it turns into dark one. So this is like, you know, about the colors. And for the theme colors, I'm using again this blue color as primary, and for links I'm using this light color. I'm not using links anywhere, but I can show you this is actually on a login page. Let me show you once. Before that, let me see if there is anything else. Okay, so this is the last thing. Let's go to login page, and you can see that once it loads, I can show you we are using this light blue color. It's taking a little time. I'm not sure why it's taking. Let me log out. Oh, by the way, these are a few more colors. Let me show them as well. Okay, probably something was with my internet, but anyhow, so these are the links colors, right? And these colors, this white and these icon colors, so they are also coming from our system picks from this setting. And if I click on this header, or you can see this blue color and this white color. So I am setting these colors in from this setting area as well. So my header background color, let's actually go back to our product home. So you can see here, and with this setting as well, header. Okay, so this is our blue color, and this is top button color. So button color is this one. So you can see this is white color, and we also have got border color. I am keeping the same, this icon color and this border color, but if you want, you can change them. And if you hover over, you might notice it is a little light color. It is a gray color. So I'm using it header button hover color as a light gray. And of course, you can change the icons from here. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all I did with all of the settings for this membership. If you want to follow all of these settings, you can, and might create your own membership. I think this video would help you. Thank you.